Hello beautiful people, hope you guys are doing fantastic. Thank you so much for dropping by today. I have this beautiful look for you guys, created with just one eyeshadow palette and my minimal stuff that I use. You guys know I like to do the whole thing, and it didn't really take me that long. It looks pretty intensive or dramatic and stuff, but I would talking in and out everything. I think I probably got this all done in about like half an hour. I hope you guys will like it, and I only use this one beautiful palette by Huda Beauty. It's texture shadow palette in Rose Gold edition. I've used this a few times in my videos, and it is one of my go-tos. It is a beautiful palette. It has neutrals, it has shimmers, it has darks, it has everything. You can pretty much achieve any look that you want out of this palette. Of course, it doesn't have like a lot of dramatic colors like blues and greens and purples and pinks and whatnot, but for neutrals and some shimmers, perfect palette, and I absolutely love this one. And if you haven't, I would really encourage you to try this look, especially if you have hooded eyes, or even if you don't have hooded eyes. It is a great look in my opinion, or maybe I am just in like super love with this look. But I hope you guys will like the video, and if you guys like what I look like right now, please continue watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I put some lipstick on, did my eyebrows and put my lashes on, and did my hair and changed my outfit as well. Didn't really change as much. Went from like full sleeves to half sleeves. It's kind of warm inside the house, but it's freezing outside. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I tried to create something that will be suitable for people with hooded eyes, and I see people who don't have hooded eyes wear this look and it looks amazing. I thought it should work for us as well. It just have to be a little bit more tricky, and I hope you guys will like it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. Share this video as much as you can, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!